Spoštovani gospod Dalajlama, spoštovani zbrani, vsečno pozdravljeni. Želim vam dobrodošlico v Mariboru. Smo zelo veseli, da se danes tukaj z nami družite v mesto. Želimo si, da se dobro počutite v mesto, kjer imamo veliko pozitivne energije in navdiha za prihodnost mesta.
Thank you for your invitation.
Najlepša hvala za povabilo.
My first visit here, very, very pleasant. Always I remember that.
Moj prvi obisk tukaj bil zelo, zelo prijeten in se ga zelo dobro spominjam.
So once more I had the opportunity to come to here. I'm very, very happy.
In torej sem zelo vesel, da imam priložnost, da lahko pridem še enkrat vam.
I want to share with you the problems which we humanity facing. Most of the problem is our own creation. Therefore, logically, we also have the ability to overcome these problems. So, important is tireless effort with confidence is very important. So I want to share to you, the people or public, in spite difficulties of global level, national level, no point to lose our hope. We must keep optimism. So therefore, thank you.
Zelo hvala lepa.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. This way, this way, this way, this way, this way.
Kar gre.